Okay, steep roof in Limoff near Ballarat, and here we see a bunch of bees. The chimney had fly screen over it, but something's gotten through at some point, same with that one. So I'm guessing at some time in the past they had bees, and so they bee proofed. However, in this instance, something got through and has created a way for the bees to get in. Okay, because the roof's so pitched, I can't do an A-frame or lean the ladder against the roof, so I've had to strap the ladder to the chimney. I'm going to need scaffolding to get this hive out though. I can't. It's just not safe doing it on this roof, but we'll see what we can do. It's a very big hive. Yeah, I would say 20 to 30,000 bees. Brilliant. Not the best position though. Okay, we're back here at the chimney. We're using a sort of cherry picker, a lifter, to get us up here. It's just got a sort of cage. Anyway, taking bricks out, I've put MDF brace and hardwood dowel pieces for the bracing in both chimneys, so that we can fill the cavity with clothing once we're done. I'm about to take the cap off the top, and we'll just have to look and see where they are from underneath. Okie dokies. So looking good. Okay, so next is take the top off. We've started taking the mortar off, and we're bee backing bees as well, just so that makes it a little bit easier on us. I'll take the pot off in a moment and keep vacuuming them up. They've done a great amount of work in the last few days. And here is decent size. One piece did fall down and bee backing those bees up, but we're now working on the bulk of these ones. Slowly getting the hive out. Doing a pretty good job. I haven't got the queen yet, but what's interesting, because the pot's not here anymore, but it was a double pot, the returning foragers are a little confused and they're returning to the other pot, but I've already put a blocker in, and so they can't go down there, just they are not sure where the hive's gone, even though it's only a short distance apart. They're attracted to what they know, which is a pot's entrance, rather than the exposed hive. We have all the bees out of here, but not all the foragers yet. But we have just caught the queenie. See her running around the cage. I'll drop her in the bee bag hive box, and then take the other pot off and finish bee packing. Well on the way now, but she's a big, beautiful girl. What a wonderful queen. Second pot is off. Now we'll just let some of these bees settle before vacuuming them up. While I wait for them to settle, I could possibly go back down and get the rest of what we need just to fill the cavity. So they start to gather and clump together. And that's the huge majority of bees gone. We've been filled this cavity mostly with old clothing, but we ran out, so we'll need more. And this cavity still needs more. Yeah, still needs more as well. This one's pretty good. The silicon gun the farmer had wasn't working, so I wasn't able to silicon those in. Silicon those bricks in, with the mortar silicon. So they'll do that later. There are foragers still up here, but not that many. It's maybe 50 to 60 at most out of a hive of quite a few thousand.